Greeting my dear students, I hope you all are keeping well and whatever have been taught in your previous classes, you must have understood it and practicing that work. Students, in this class we will discuss about cell. Your first slide show selecting cells in a table. To select continuous range of cells, press left mouse button and drag the mouse to select the desired cell. You can also use the selection option in the table menu to select cells. A complete table, column, row or cell can be selected by using the available options. The selection is on the cursor position in the table. Formatting text in cells. Sometimes you may want to use formatting options like bold, italics, underline, font size and font style, etc. on the text in an individual cell, a group of cells or in the whole table. Formatting the text in a table is similar to formatting text in a Word document. After selecting the cells, click Format menu, click on Font and choose the desired formatting option. Click OK for implementation. If the formatting is same for all the text in a table, you can select all the blank cells first, apply formatting and then enter data. Modify tables. Modifying tables involves adding new cells, deleting cells which contain data that is not needed, merging cells to have a single cell, splitting cells to have more cells. Let us study these modifications in a table. Add or remove cell. To add a cell in a table, follow the steps given below. Click the position where you want to insert a table. Click Table menu. Point to Insert option in the submenu. Click Cells. A dialog box titled Insert Cells appears with radio buttons. Choose your option and click OK. Similarly, rows and columns can be inserted in a table. To remove cell or column, select Table menu and in the drop-down menu, select Delete. Select your option in the submenu to delete the desired cells, rows or columns or the complete table. You can also right-click in a cell and click Delete Cell option in the context menu. Merging cells. While using tables in MS Word, you may sometimes require to merge cells to form one cell. To merge cells, use any of the two methods given below. The first method is select the cells to be merged. Click Table menu and in the drop-down menu, click Merge Cells. All the selected cells are fused to form a single cell with size equal to the area of the selected cells. The data in the selected cells gets adjusted in the bigger cell. The second method is select the cells to be merged. Right-click the selected cells and then click Merge Cell option in the context menu. Yes, students, your today's last topic is splitting cell. Split cell option of the table menu can be used to divide a cell or group of cells into the selected number of rows and columns. For splitting cells in a table, follow the steps given below. Number 1, select the cell or cells to be split. Number 2, click Table menu. Number 3, in the drop-down menu, click Split Cells. The Split Cell dialog box will appear. Number 4, select the number of columns and rows and then click OK. The table will show the selected split cells into smaller cells. Yes, students, now you have learned how to add a table and modified it as required in your Word document. Yes, students, your today's home task is open a Word document and practice the following. A, B, C. You have 3 entries. You have to practice this at your Word document. Thank you so much, students. I hope you have enjoyed this class. We will continue our lesson in your next class. Till then, stay blessed, stay safe. God bless you all.